Do you know what to do when it's cold? Are you prepared? What about for your immigration case when you get a request for evidence or notice of intent to deny? Here's why I'm sharing this advice. It's because there are several people who contact us and have received a request for evidence or notice of intent to deny, and in fact, maybe even a denial notice. And it said, John, what should we do? Attorney, what should we do? And we look at the notice like your deadline either passed or it's in like 2 days. It takes time, not just for yourself, but also when you work with an attorney, because we're going to provide you a customized plan, not just a simple maybe 5 items on the checklist that USCIS provided you. Okay. And especially if you got a court notice, a denial, a removal order from court, because you, in either situation, you have 30 days to appeal if it's in court or to file a motion to reconsider. Okay. Okay. So now you're wondering, well, John, how do I prepare? Right. So if you're watching our videos, you know, you're watching one of the best attorneys, law firms to help you. You need to know that, right? Once you find that individual, that law firm to help you, contact them. Maybe don't wait until there's an actual problem, because then that's when it starts at 30 days. And you really don't want to be making that decision on who to hire within that 30-day period, because that's going to cut down on time on the deadline, right? And so just by human nature, some of us are slower to make decisions than others, and we should acknowledge that. So if you know that you're one of those people, and sure, maybe you filed your case yourself the first place, completely understandable, because everyone has a budget. It's very normal, right? But when you have a problem with your immigration case, you need to know how to take action. And generally, you don't practice immigration law, right? So you don't know what those steps are, those action points. Don't be afraid to talk to a lawyer. Okay, I know many of you are concerned, like, oh, are they going to charge me a consult fee? Psst, we actually don't charge for a strategy session for 15 minutes. Now, look, we're not going to look at your entire file. Some of y'all have a lot of documents, but it's really, what is a consultation about is to confirm, if possible, whether you were eligible in the first place to file, if you already filed already. And if you did receive one of those requests for evidence or NOID, to review that and really walk you through it to see if you actually have that kind of documentation. Psst, even if you don't hire us, authorize us, it's okay. We're happy to point you in the right direction, because you need to get that immigration status so you can move on and do better things in your life. If this vibes with you, follow for more.